In this video, we'll be showing you how you can create a seller account on your Lazada application or your Lazada account. So if you want to start selling, this video is the perfect fit for you. First, I want you to log in inside your Lazada app, and then after logging in, make sure that you have completed verifying or you have set up the Lazada wallet into your account, since this will be needed if you want to start selling. So after doing these things, now I want you to click the account icon here on the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will see your profile interface here. Now click this last part of the screen, or I want you to hover there. Swipe to the right, and you will see this icon, which is the Sell on Lazada. Now click this Sell on Lazada, and this will redirect you to their main page of how you can start selling or how you can register your account for selling. Here, you just need to click the Create Your Seller account with your current info, but you can also change this if you'd like. So they also have the step-by-step instruction on how you can start your seller account. First is, of course, you need to sign up. You need to fill in the email and address, which we have already connected earlier. We just need to submit your ID, your valid ID, your BIR, and your bank account. And lastly is for your upload of your very first products, and you can now start selling. And that's it. You just need to follow the steps provided by Lazada, and you can now start your seller account. And that's how you can create a Lazada seller account, and thank you for listening.